Hello guys! At the first, please subscribe our channel to give us energy. In this lesson, we want to turning with tab system. We want to make an HTML5 structure with tab tag in HTML5. Let's start do it. Table tag, t-head, t-body, and t-foot. Okay, just guess, we have 3 columns, 1 column, 2 column, and this is the last one, 3 column. At the first, we have a header with coolspan 3, and after that we have a nav with coolspan 3. Let's do it. Just want to style them table and not table, tr. Okay, we have a tr which has a t-head header, and I want to set text align center. Guys, there are css, they are just use them in this tutorial, but you not have to know what they did or how they work, because these are for future lessons. I add coolspan 3 to this, again duplicate this nav, and after that we have got an article section and a side. Okay guys, a tr with what? With a td article coolspan 2 and a td coolspan 1 aside and a row span 2 and again a tr, because maybe I write my code in the wrong way, but we go to debug this. Okay guys, and td section. I wanna check my code. Oh, this is good. I go on right way. All of my code are right. Okay guys, and in the last we have a footer. This is too easy. I write this in t-foot, a tr, a td, and footer with coolspan 3. This is row span 2. Why? Because we wanted to assign occupied 2 row. Just this. Did you see 1 row and 2 row? But in a side we have a 2 row. And in the next I wanna add a width 100% and a height 1 view height to my table. Guys, did you see? It's our HTML5 structure with table system. This is a good training or good project for training with table in HTML5. Please do this and learn coolspans and table structure. I wish the best for you and goodbye.